How to set high contrast theme to none, yellow or blue on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. From here, tap on vision enhancements. Then we go down to the colors and clarity section and tap on high contrast theme. And here you can choose yellow. Now, if this is the first time you select it, you need to download it. So tap on the download button to download it. Then tap on applied. Okay, so here, that is the high contrast theme. So I scroll down and tap on accessibility, tap on vision enhancements. And here I will set it back to none. Okay, so now it's back to none. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.